of negative whole numbers. Examples. Find the cube root of minus 125. Solution. That is, we have to find this cube root of minus 125. Now, you must know this. What we have here is the same thing as what? Since we are having minus 125, this is the same thing as 3, that is cube root of what? Minus 1 times 125. Because minus 1 times 125 is the same thing as what? Is the same thing as what? As minus 125. And you should recall that when you have minus 1 times minus 1, also times minus 1. Minus times minus will give you plus. And plus times minus will also give us minus. 1 times 1 will give us 1. Times 1, what does it give us? You have 1. So, in a nutshell, it means that when you have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as minus 1. 1, 2, 3. It's the same thing as minus 1. So in that case, I'm going to break 125. Then I will replace minus 1 raised to the power of 3. I will replace minus 1 as minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Now let's break 125. 125. What do we have? So dividing by 5, 125 divided by 5. We have what? 25. Now, dividing by 5 again, what do we have? 25 divided by 5, we have 5. Then dividing by 5, 5 divided by 5, we have 1. And don't forget, for cube root, we are grouping in 3, same numbers. So in that case, now, we have this to be cube root of what? Instead of writing minus 1, I will replace it with what? Minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Minus 1 raised to the power of 3. Then times, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3. This is 5. 5 raised to the power of 3. And based on the principle of finding cube root, you see, the cube root, which is a 3 here, and the power must be the same for you to get your final answer. So in that case, cube root of what? Of the first one here, what are you going to have? Which is the base? That's minus 1. And also, the cube root of what you have here, what are we having here? That is 5, which is the base here. Because the number here is same thing as what we have here. So it means that the cube root of minus 125 is the same thing as minus 5. Also, you need to note this from here. You can see that minus 125 can also be expressed as what? Minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5. Can you see that? Because minus times minus is what? Minus times minus is what? That is plus. Plus times minus, that is minus. So it means that what we have here and here, 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. So this can also be expressed as minus 5 raised to the power of 3. So minus 5 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as minus 125. You can see. So from here, if I take the cube root of minus 125, you see that I'll still have this number, which is minus 5. Take note of that. Thank you.